Coming in, three accused Pulkit Arya, Saurabh Bhaskar and Ankit Gupta have been found guilty in the Ankita Bhandari murder case in the Additional District and Sessions Judge Court, Kotwar, Uttarakhand. All three accused have been sentenced to rigorous life imprisonment. Accused Pulkit Arya is the owner of the Vanatara resort near Rishikesh, where Ankita was employed as a receptionist, while the other two accused are his employees. The prosecution said that Ankita and Pulkit allegedly had a dispute over something, after which the latter, along with his two employees, pushed her into a canal on 18 September 2022. Her body was recovered from the canal on September 24, following which the police arrested the three accused. So major developments that are coming in this Ankita Bhandari case that we are tracking at this point of time. The three accused have been found guilty in Ankita Bhandari murder case, and that's the latest that we are tracking. Three accused in this case. When we're talking about Pulkit Arya, Saurabh Bhaskar and Ankit Gupta have been found guilty in the case. We have with us my colleague Sanjay Srivastav joining us on the telecast. Sanjay, share with us the details that are coming in. It's a major development that we're getting to know in this case, that the three accused have now been found guilty.
देखिए, ये मामला 2022 सितंबर का है, जब ये घृणित काम इन लोगों के द्वारा किया गया था और उस समय पूरे देवभूमि की जनता सड़कों पे आ गई थी। इन लोगों ने एक लालच देकर के 22 साल की एक लड़की को पहले तो नौकरी दी और नौकरी के बाद अवैध रूप से शारीरिक संबंध बनाने का दबाव बनाए, लेकिन वह 22 साल की लड़की अंकिता भंडारी ने इनके दबाव को नहीं माना, और जब नहीं माना तो इन लोगों ने उसकी हत्या करके हरिद्वार से एक नहर जाती है, उस नहर में फेंक दिया। और उस हत्या के बाद पूरी देवभूमि इंतजार कर रही थी कि इन तीनों को कड़ी सी कड़ी सजा मिले, और वह आज दिन आ गया जब इन तीनों के ऊपर अपराध भी साबित हुआ और इन तीनों को मृत्युदंड की सजा सुनाई गई। जी।
All right, Sanjay Srivastav. So it's a major development that's coming to at this point of time. The three accused that have been now sentenced to life imprisonment. Thank you so much for joining us on the telecast. Some other news coming in from the national capital. The